Hello, good morning everyone. So, this side Amit, and today I'm talking about our Swift programming language, and I'm preferring Java T Point website for this. And so, without wasting our time, just go for first section, Swift tutorial. And what is Swift? Swift is basically a program language for use for developing the applications for platform of iOS, Mac OS, tvOS, watchOS. It's developed by Apple and Corporation, and the rest of the things like just go for history section. So here is this history. So Swift first version comes in 9th of September 2014, and then second version like 1.1 version is come in 22nd of 10th of October in 2014, and it's parallelly going on. So currently I think Swift latest version is uh, yes, here it is 5.6.1, which is comes in 9th of April 2022. So this is the Swift history, and apart from this I'm going to talking about our some basic things. First we need just open our Xcode and go for file and new. Here you can open your playground and play with some codes. So without wasting our time, just let's get into inside of it. Test my commit. So this is our single line comment. If you want to use multi-line comments, so you can do this way as well. Test my comment. So basically why we use this single line comment and multi-line comment in our code. So it is just a general purpose for our use is for better understanding the code for a new guy. If you write some code and new guy, you hand over the code to another guy, and he doesn't know what's going on inside of your code, and if he goes and debugs one by one line, then it will take much more time. So that's why uh, I'm preferring comment line. So this is the way variable my first name equals to Amit, and this is our string data type. So here if anyone can read this line, so he can directly understand, okay, this Amit has data type is a string, and the variable name is my first name, and over here you can print this way my first name, and boom, here you will get the result in your console. This is, and some more data types we have. My int, if I am declaring something like this, so here we go, and print it as well. So my int, and again clicking on play button, and we'll get the result. This is our int type. So int data type, int basically integer data type. Like if you have some integer like numbers, basically 1 2 3 4, these are our integer data types. Float is basically like something like 1.5, 2.5, like after our decimal numbers. So that is our float numbers. My float, here we can declare this like this and print it. My float, let's see what's the result. Boom. So we have different data types, and one more is we have, so my bool var, here we are defining his bool value, and directly I am assigning its true and false value. So my bool value now, boom, here we get the result is true. If we are changing this something like this, so our result change accordingly this. So this is our bool type. We have multiple data types like double, float, integer, string, and many more, but most of the time we are using these fours. And one more tip for this video, that is let and var. What is the basic difference between these two? Let and var. Var has like some values, but we are again going for change his value, so it will print different value. Like my first name equals to Amit, but I am this time printing it wanderer, wonder. So now you guys just assuming what is the result for this. So this time it will print wonder. As I said, variable has changed the value on runtime if we are assigning some another value, but in not the let condition, it follows like let my name is, I am defining a string, and this one Amit, and I am going to print this first. My name is this, and boom, this is printing me Amit. But you see here it prints wonder. Okay, and now if I am going to change my value, my name is equals to, so as you see it's showing me some error. Cannot assign value of a type string, cannot assign my name is let constant. It means it says you cannot change the value which variable has constant predefined, so that's why it cannot change. And thanks for this session. We'll meet in our next video. Thank you.